Mm. Sometimes silence says it all. You don't even have to raise your voice. I was standing in the kitchen, towel in my hand. Built this life steady, didn't need a plan. Table set nice, yeah, everything in place. But I felt like a stranger in my own space. She walked in laughing like it's all a game. Didn't even bother learning my name. Well, I smiled polite, yeah, I played my part. But I felt that shift deep in my heart. It wasn't loud, no, it wasn't wild. Just a quiet cut, yeah, a subtle style. Respect don't fade in a single night, but you see it clear in a different light. If I'm not your woman, not your guy, then I won't carry what you hide. All that weight you placed on me, I set it down, now I'm finally free. No more paying for your peace of mind. No more crossing my own line. If I don't belong in what you say, then I won't hold what you gave away. Morning came with a different view. Coffee brewing, sky still blue. Opened up what I always knew. Every thread was tied by me, not you. A car phone and the school fees too. Little things that I quietly do. You called it help, I called it care, but respect was never really there. No more guessing where I stand. No more reaching with empty hands. You drew that line so cold, so clean. Now you live with what that means. If I'm not your man, not your guy, then I won't carry what you hide. All that weight you placed on me, I set it down, now I'm finally free. No more paying for your peace of mind. No more crossing my own line. If I don't belong in what you say, then I won't hold what you gave away. Didn't shout, didn't break no doors. Just step back from what ain't yours. Truth don't need no grand display. Sometimes walking off says everything. Phone keep ringing, I let it be. Now you finally start to see all the things you took for free were the parts that came from me. Respect ain't something you demand and take away with the other hand. If I'm not your woman, not your guy, then I won't stand here by your side. All that weight you placed on me, I let it go so I can breathe. No more silence, no disguise. I see truth with open eyes. If I don't belong in what you say, then I won't hold what you gave away.